recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy addict. Yeah, man. Do what you love, and love what you do. If it's more than a habit, be a Chevy addict. Ain't it, man? My Tahoe on 28s. I gotta be great, making the earthquake and windows shake. 418s make it scream, or I can come real cool and slide through in the Cutlass old school on 24s. You know what I mean, man? It's a Chevy thing. Do what you love.
YouTube, what's up, YouTube? We have an unboxing for Mr. Leland, y'all. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and I'm gonna do this install on my truck, y'all. Y'all know I've on these Tahoes, man, Suburbans, Yukons, Silverados, whatever. I'm gonna show you what's going on. I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, y'all, I'm back, y'all. Right here, y'all. My AC. I had to cut my AC on like 4 to get my the air to blow out. So I bought me a new resistor. I gotta take all this stuff off right here. I'm gonna slide my console. I gotta unbolt my console from down here and slide my console back. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this, like bolts down here. I gotta take out down here. I gotta scoop my console back. So y'all just know, it's an easy job, but I gotta move my car to the garage, do all that. So I'm telling you, man, it's so crazy because I thought I fixed this. I ain't had to take this out no more, but I got to. So I'm gonna cut you off. I'm gonna cut you back on once I move my console back and start taking these bolts out, y'all. So get ready. Stay tuned for this video, y'all. All right, y'all, just move my console back. Now, I gotta take these screws out down here now. It's a 7mm I need to get out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my 7mm and take these screws out and get started, y'all. But I'm gonna cut my AC on to show you what I'm doing. So you'll see. Hold on. All right, y'all, I'm back, y'all. So on this right here, I'm gonna show you this right here, y'all. This is the pigtail. I'm not gonna use. If my piece is bad, I'm gonna reuse this. It made with some heavy duty wire, y'all. Carpet all the way around. Gave me this piece right here. This the main piece I needed right here, y'all. And gave me some butt connectors for these wires right here. So I'm gonna try to slowly take this out. Here we go, y'all. A new piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my truck. I'm gonna cut you back on, man. And like I said, once again, gotta get AC in the truck, y'all. Gotta get AC in the truck. Cause my AC, you had to cut it all the way on 5 or 4 just to get cool in the truck. So I couldn't go to 1 or 2, but I can fix that problem right now. Shouts out to Mr. Migo Customs, man. He on YouTube. He changed this out in his truck, and mine was doing the same thing too. So I I about to get this done, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all. That piece I'm installing is on this side of the truck, y'all. Y'all see, I told y'all I'm gonna move my console back. I unbolted it, moved it back. All my wires is naked, y'all. But anyway, the piece is down here. I gotta take off a 7mm bolts down here. There's a 7mm bolt right here. And right here. This whole thing gonna sway over. So this black piece right here, y'all. I'm gonna take this piece down. There's a bolt right here. There's a bolt right here. The whole piece is swing around. So that being said, y'all, let's get this thing going, y'all. I'll cut you back on when I get started, y'all. All right, YouTube, I'm back, man. Before I take everything loose, I'm about to show you what my AC doing. See, I got it on 1, right? It don't come on. It's real low. I could barely feel it. So as I go up, it's on 2. I can't feel none at all. On 3, it start getting, it cut on 3 to get a full type of the feeling, you know what I mean? So now it's on 3, now it's on 4, it's looking great. Now it's on 5, yeah, now right? It's real low on 2. It's still good, but I'm gonna switch your miles out anyway, yo. It's still good. It's still good. Also, you can hear it's will be a little bit higher than that, I was told. So I'm gonna go ahead. The pieces down there I gotta take out. So I'm just showing you what my AC is doing right now. So once I get this done, y'all, it's gonna blow a lot colder. Not colder. I'm sorry, a lot faster. You know what I mean? You want to. It's like a small little simmer type air coming out right now. You know what I mean? With having on one, mine's like on point. Like so when I get it on, you know what I mean? You'll get what I'm doing. So I'm trying to explain it the best way I can. So hope y'all understand what I'm trying to do. It's real low right now. Like I said, it's on 1. Y'all know on 0, 1. It got a little whine to it. So I'm gonna take it out, change it out. But I'm gonna keep the old one too because it's still good though. But it's dirty. That's why I was doing that. So, like a connection. So some days, that 1 you can't feel nothing come out. You know what I mean? Some days that's what I bought that piece for. But I'm gonna still keep it though. Don't get me wrong now. But I'm gonna change it out right here, so you know what I'm doing. So, all right, y'all. I'll cut you back on when I start work. All right, y'all. I got the black piece down. I'm trying to get my camera in the way so I can see what's going on, all right? So what's going on is now, if most cars have a piece right here, right? Just the main horn is just coming down. They see me at the peak till they sit me down. So right now, I gotta take 2 bolts out. This bolt here and this bolt right here. So this bolt right here is another size, so I don't know. I gotta figure out what size that is, but I think it's like a 9/16. So give me a minute. I'm gonna cut you back on once I take this piece out right here. The piece gotta go right here. So that piece I just bought is unsnaps right here on the back. The peak tail come loose. That peak tail come loose right there, and this piece right here come loose also right here. So I gotta drop this down. That's a hot and ground wire for it right there. So I gotta drop this piece down and take this piece here out. So when I cut you back on the time lapse, y'all, I'm going to remove this piece right here and install a new piece. Give me a minute, y'all. Right back. All right, y'all, I'm back, y'all. I had the 2 of my arsons already, but the piece, the piece to take that little bolt out right here on the black piece is a 7mm right here. And the piece to take this, the socket to take these out is a 5.5mm, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that piece out of there. So we'll get this thing rock and rolling, y'all. So yeah, here we go, y'all. It will help put the socket on, right? All right, y'all, let's get it, y'all. All right, I'm gonna cut y'all on time lapse, y'all. I ain't trying to get y'all see me doing this. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I noticed something now. So, you see how mine is different? That block is made into it, right? So that switch we looking for is way back here, y'all. It's way back here in the back. So, just follow the line to the back and unplug that piece in the back. So, I'm gonna cut you back on time lapse. So I get that piece out of there, y'all. It's a long line that reach. So I'm gonna cut you back on, y'all. All right, y'all. I got the new one in. The new one right here. Trying to get my camera right. Right here's the new one. So the old one is in my storage room. I'm gonna clean it up and see if I can use it again. But other than that, y'all, 10-minute job led me to like a 20-minute job, but it's over now though. All I gotta do is clean my stuff up and cut my AC on now, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, I'm all buttoned back up. Y'all know what my battery did, so I'm gonna let my phone charge up for a little while, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on to show you everything working properly, y'all. So this job is over, y'all. So now we got AC on the demand now. AC on demand. So clean myself. I gotta pull my console back up, pick my tools up, put them back up, and this project is done, y'all. So hope y'all enjoyed this short little video about what I'm doing today, what I did today, and how's it looking in here, y'all. So we gone, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the next live. Next Thursday, y'all. 7 o'clock all morning long. Afternoon live, 12, 1 o'clock. Just stay tuned, man, for the live. I might go live sometime today or something. I don't know. But I'm not going live today. But Thursday I am. I gotcha. All right, y'all. We see y'all in the next video, y'all.
The whole world better recognize Chevy's is good on the eyes. It's more than a hood thing. It's about that Chevy love, man. I do what I love, and I love what I do. It's more than a habit, cause I'm a Chevy.